In today's video, I'm going to teach you the Miro Productivity OS setup that takes you from chaos to organized execution. We'll create a single board with 5 frames you'll visit in order, and we'll use the Frames panel as your permanent navigation. Open it from the bottom right toolbar or press M, then number and name the frames like a table of contents. 0. Start here. 1. The Chaos Hub. 2. The Sorting Ground. 3. The Execution Plan, and 4. The Archive. Now anyone can jump to the right place instantly. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In 0. Start here. Add brief onboarding and a color coding legend, then protect them with the protected lock so they can't be moved or deleted by accident. This preserves your orientation layer and saves time as new collaborators arrive. Next, enter 1. The Chaos Hub for pure capture. Use sticky notes and a simple mind map to dump ideas, questions, and links. Keep it fast and loose. 1 thought per sticky, and don't impose structure yet. The aim is to get everything out of your head and onto the board. When it's time to make sense of the mess, switch to 2. The Sorting Ground. Select all the stickies from the Chaos Hub, then let Miro Assist automatically cluster by theme and generate summaries. In minutes you'll have clear groupings that normally take hours. Apply tags to mark priority or topic, use auto layout to tidy clusters, and run a quick voting session to surface what matters now so you can move immediately into decisions. With priorities set, move to 3. The Execution Plan. Build a Kanban using cards, not sticky notes, so each item carries fields and status. Connect cards to Jira or Asana using Miro's integration to keep everything in sync. Add tags like P1 or P2 for priority and include the owner. From then on, dragging a card from To-Do to In Progress in Miro updates the linked ticket automatically, eliminating duplicate entry and reducing context switching. Finally, file outcomes in 4. The Archive. Store completed projects, decisions, and meeting notes here. Instead of scheduling follow-ups, record a talk track walkthrough over the relevant frames. That short recording becomes an asynchronous update your team can watch on their own time, with all visual context intact. Follow this loop. Navigate by frames, protect instructions, use AI for instant structure, execute via cards and integrations, and update with TalkTrack. That's your Miro Productivity OS, turning unstructured input into organized, accountable action. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.